Hello friends, myself Govind Ranadive, KDK College of Engineering Nagpur. Today's topic multiple integral part 2. In part 2 we are taking change the order of double integration and change to polar form of double integration. Now suppose my first problem is example number 1, evaluate 0 to a y to a x upon x square plus y square. This is my function of integration dx dy by changing the order of integration. So in changing the order of integration, it is most important to recognize what is your first order. So given order, जो प्रॉब्लम में दिया हुआ है, given order, in given order this inner integration is called first integration and this is outer integration is called second integration. And see the limits. In this given problem, lower limit is y, upper limit is a. So this is definitely x is equal to y. That's why in given problem, first integration is with respect to x. Remember this most important point. When limits are in terms of y, because outer limit are always constant, remember this. So inner limit, when in terms of y, your first integration is with respect to x. If inner limit are in terms of x, then your integration is with respect to y. And the remaining is dy. So this bracket shows your first integration. You want to integrate with respect to x, treating y as constant. Now I want to change the order. So write down above problem as it is, without limit. Write down as it is. Only change, in place of dx write down dy, and in place of dy write down dx. This is called change the order. This is function. So don't put limit. Only change, in place of dx write down dy, in place of dy. This is called change the order problem. Now by using given order, this is x is equal to y, this is x is equal to a. So draw figure here. X is equal to y means line passing through origin, having points 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, x, x, x in this way, a. And in original problem, your first integration is with respect to x, that's why strip is parallel to x axis. Given problem. So this is your lower limit, x is equal to y, and this is x is equal to a means your line parallel to y axis. It's called x is equal to a line. Now when this strip comes to lower limit, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and this is y is equal to a. Here this point line become point. Now I want to change order. So take strip parallel to y axis. Now I want to change, because my change the order integration, first integration is with respect to y. That's why take strip parallel to y axis. This is the region of integration. Now what is lower limit? Y is equal to 0. So I have substituted y is equal to 0. What is upper limit? This line is x is equal to y, y is equal to x. That's why x. Then this strip comes to left hand side. This become point. So here value of x is equal to 0, and here value of x is equal to a. That's why outer limit are 0 to a. Now I want to integrate with respect to y. So take out x common, because x is constant. This x is also constant. Remember this. So your problem become 1 upon x square plus y square, where x square is constant with respect to y. Now I want to integrate. Only consider this bracket. Don't think about outer integration. Only suppose this is your first integration, means single integration, just like 12th standard, and this is constant a square. So what is integration of 1 upon y square plus a square with respect to y? This is 1 by a. tan inverse y by a. So what is a in this problem? A is x, because with respect to y, x is constant. That's why I have written 1 by x tan inverse y by x. Upper limit x, lower limit 0. Now this x cancel because I want to put limit in place of y, where x is constant. That's why this first x and this inner x cancel. So your problem become only tan inverse y by x. Now put y is equal to x and y is equal to 0. So you will get tan inverse x upon x means 1 minus tan inverse 0. So this is tan inverse 1 because tan inverse 0 is 0. So answer of tan inverse 1 equal to pi by 4. ऐसा कौन सा एंगल है जिसका tan 1 होता है? So that is pi by 4. Always write down your answer in terms of radian. Don't write in terms of degree. So tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is constant out of integration, and you want to integrate only dx. And what is integration of dx? X. Put upper limit a, lower limit 0. So that's why your answer is pi by 4. Remember this formula I have used in this problem. Integration of 1 upon y square plus square dy is equal to 1 by a tan inverse y by a, where a is equal to x. Now second problem, evaluate by changing the order of integration 0 to infinity x to infinity e raised to power minus y dy dx. What is given order? Given order, so write down same problem in terms of in bracket. So 0 to infinity x to infinity just e raised to power minus y. Limit are in terms of x. That's why first integration is with respect to y. Remember this. This is most important part in changing the order of problem. Because when your limit, inner limit are in terms of x, means your integration is with respect to y dx. Now change the order. Don't put limit. Only dy की जगह dx रखो, dx की जगह dy रखो. This is called change the order. Now I want to point limit. What is the limit? For this I must know figure. So from given problem, draw figure. This is y is equal to x, y is equal to infinity, x is equal to 0, x is equal to infinity. So in this way, draw figure. So my figure become now see, this is your original order. First integration is with respect to y, original order. So lower limit is y is equal to x, upper limit is infinity. When it comes to 0, and again this is again infinity. No limit at all. That's why I have given arrow here. This is arrow. So above no limit. This is my figure. This is region of integration. Now I have write down lower, and now change strip because I want to first integrate with respect to x. What is lower limit of x? 0. What is upper limit of x? Y. Now bring this strip. So this become limit of y is 0 and upper limit is no limit up to infinity. Now this e raised to power minus y with respect to y with respect to x is constant. That's why I have take out of integration. And what is integration of dx? Only x. Put upper limit, lower limit. So when I put upper limit, so this become y minus 0. Now this y cancel, and you have to integrate only 0 to infinity e raised to power minus y dy. Now put upper limit, integrate this e raised to power minus y. Integration of e raised to power minus y is e raised to power minus y upon minus 1, infinity to 0. Put upper limit e raised to power in minus infinity becomes 0, and e raised to power 0 become minus 1. Minus of minus become plus 1. So this is my second problem. This problem is most important for university exam. Now third problem. Evaluate by changing the order of integration 0 to infinity, 0 to x e raised to power minus x square by y dy dx. Now inner limit are in terms of x. Means what is given order? Given order is with respect to y. This is given order. So write down above problem in terms of bracket, and this is called given order. Now change same problem as change the order problem. Don't put limit. Only in place of dy write down dx, in place of dx write down dy. This is called change the order. Now I want to find limits of integration. For this, what is your region of integration? So from given order you can find region of integration. So this is y is equal to 0, y is equal to x, and x is equal to 0, x is equal to infinity. So again you will get this figure. This is your original order with respect to y. Draw very light strip. This is original order strip. This is your change the order strip. So original order strip, what is limit? 0. What is y is equal to x? This is 0 and infinity. So satisfy above limit. Now put limit. Now this strip. What is limit of x? X is equal to y. What is upper limit? No limit at all. So that's why I have given arrow to this strip. Infinity. This strip comes to lower side. Y is equal to 0. Upper side no limit. So 0 to infinity. Now I want to, this is special problem. I want to integrate this bracket problem with respect to x, treating y as constant. Now power of e is not x, this is x square by something, this is constant. So put x square by y equal to t, x square is equal to yt, 2x dx is equal to y dt. I want x dx, that's why what is y by 2 dt, where y by 2 is constant. Now limit x is equal to y, t is equal to y, x is equal to infinity, t is equal to infinity. This is t is equal to infinity. No change at all. So change your problem in terms of t. So my problem become y to infinity, 0 to infinity, e raised to power minus t, and x dx is equal to y by 2 dt dy. Now this y by 2 is constant with respect to t. So I have take out this y by 2 out of first integration. And what is integration of e raised to power minus t? E raised to power minus t upon minus 1. Upper limit is infinity, lower limit is y. When I put e raised to power minus infinity becomes 0. And when I put y in place of t, so this become minus e raised to power minus y. Minus minus cancel. And you will get e raised to power minus y into y dy. This is special type of integration. Remember, in mathematics 2, 0 to infinity e raised to power minus any variable raised to power any power is called gamma function. What is power of y? 1. So answer is gamma 2. This is 0 to infinity raised to power minus y is called gamma. So this is gamma 2 and answer of gamma 2 is equal to 1. That's why answer of this problem is half. So this is change the order problem. Now I have taken one problem of polar form. Only one problem of polar form. So when you want to, this is called Cartesian form. When your problem is in terms of x and y, this is called Cartesian form. Suppose this is my point x and y. So this is x, this is y. This is called r under root x square plus y square theta. So you can write same point in terms of r and theta. This is called polar form. Now when you want to change to polar form in your integration, always put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and dx dy is equal to r dr d theta, and your complete problem become in terms of r and theta. So this is my given problem. This is called given order. Just like in the change the order, this is given order. Draw figure as per given order before changing to polar form. Just like previous problem, change the order problem. This is x is equal to y, x is equal to a, y is equal to 0, y is equal to a. So again you will get this region of integration. X is equal to y, x is equal to a, y is equal to 0, y is equal to a. This is point A. This is point A. Now put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Use of given order is to find only region of integration. Now I want to change whole problem in terms of r and theta, limits also in terms of r and theta. So always put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. So when I put x is equal to x square is equal to r square cos square theta, this x square plus y square is r square, this 2 cancel, and this dx dy is called r dr d theta. So now what about limit? Always in polar form, inner limit are limit of r, outer limit of theta. Here method is very specific. अंदर के लिमिट में r के ही पुट करना है, बाहर में थीटा के ही पुट करना है. नाउ ड्रॉ स्ट्रिप. जैसे घड़ी का काटा होता है उस तरीके से एक स्ट्रिप निकालने का। यहाँ पे आर की वैल्यू 0 होती है और ये यहाँ पे टच कर रही है, x इज इक्वल टू ए, पुट x इज इक्वल टू आर कॉस थीटा, तो व्हाट इज r इज इक्वल टू a बाय कॉस थीटा। सो दिस इज माय अपर लिमिट, दिस x इज इक्वल टू a line become in terms of r become a by cos theta. So this is my lower limit. Always remember lower limit of r is 0 always, and upper limit, so equation of this curve in terms of r I have written. So 0 to a by cos theta. Now this when I put, so I want to first integrate with respect to r. So theta is constant, that's why I have take out this cos square theta, and this r square, r and r cube totally cancel, and you want to only integrate dr. What is integration of dr? R. Put upper limit a by cos theta. Sorry, I have forgotten. Now this x is equal to y line always makes 45 degree, means pi by 4 angle to x axis. That's why what is lower angle when this strip comes to y axis? 0, and maximum angle is 45. That's why 0 to pi by 4. I have forgotten the how to write limit of theta. So now what is integration of dr? R. Put a by cos theta. So when I put a by cos theta, 1 cos theta cancel. So your answer become a cos theta d theta. Now a is constant out of integration. What is integration of cos theta? Sin theta. What is upper limit? Pi by 4, 0. So a sin pi by 4. What is angle sin pi by 4? Is 1 by root 2. And that's why my answer is a by root 2. Remember only one thing, when you want to change polar form, put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and dx dy. This is most important part. Your problem become in terms of r and theta. Inner integration is with respect to r, outer integration with respect to theta. So in this way, find limit and solve. Thank you very much.